Hey y'all, hey, let's get into it. I started off first by covering up the mirror piece with some painter's tape, and I use that tape because it's easier to peel back off. So I had some gray paint and I decided to use that, and you can always spray paint this. I went for one that was more of a metallic feel. So like I said, you just take your time and paint. And the only thing about this mirror, even though well it's a Dollar Tree mirror, you have to do the little pieces on the inside. So if you don't really have that type of patience, go ahead and spray paint it, okay? Okay, this little wooden piece I got from the Dollar Tree as well. I decided to paint over it, and I'm just going to use the same gray, and I'll more than likely have to paint it twice, just like I had to paint the other piece. So you wouldn't, see what was up there previously. So this is the result after I let them dry. Okay. And I added some of the Dollar Tree glue, and I used some of those little bling pieces that they have there as well. And I just used popsicle stick to spread it across so I can start adding my pieces. And then I just created a random design afterwards, and I just started adding them as I saw needed. Like, I really didn't have a method to this. I just wanted something that I would like, and after I started adding pieces, it started to kind of come together. And once you finish doing your design on the front, you go ahead and you add the same glue. It's like a adhesive glue. It's really strong. It's smelly, but it works. And then I added a little bit of hot glue as well, so it can just set and I don't have to worry about it coming off. And I just pretty much let it dry. If you need to, you can take a book or something to put on top of it so it doesn't move or shift. It stays in place. But yeah, that's basically how I made it. And like I said, I let it dry for at least a good 24 hours before I start moving it around. And because I'm extra, I went and added some bling around the side of it to make it pop even more. It's something about the metallic silver. And then when you add the bling on top of the project, it just takes it to another level. So yeah, I went ahead and added some more on the outside. Then I had to let that sit and dry. I did use the same adhesive around the side as well. After a while, I used the hot glue as well because it just made the project a little bit more faster. But as long as everything is sticking the way it needs to, you use whatever glue you like. And once I finish doing this, again, I let it sit and then I let it dry. And then I was finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.